Hey Mike, was going to do a little test here. I'm hearing some noise in the rear end of the Vet, and I jacked it up, and I hear kind of a click when I'm driving the car. It does kind of this grinding noise. It doesn't seem to howl or anything, but when I slow down and then when I pick back speed up, I just hear some kind of grinding. I mean, I want to say it was brakes, but I'm not sure. So I thought I would check the rear end and start turning the wheel. So I'm going to turn the wheel, and as I turn the wheel, you just listen, I guess, because I'm hearing a clicking noise. So just bear with me here as I do this, because I'm going to stick this thing right up. I'm going to stick this thing right up on top of this thing to do it. So let me turn it around. Maybe you can hear it. I'm not really sure where it. Okay, so now I'm going to turn it forward. You hear that? Click, click, click. That's forward. So if I go backward, it's real hard to turn backwards. Anyway, I thought. Okay, so I'm going to go forward again. So anyway, you get the idea. Let me know. I guess maybe it's the rear end or something. So check this video out and let me know what you think.